how to master email marketing strategy. Guys, give me the next 15 to 20 minutes and I'm going to show you how to master email marketing strategy. I got a multiple income stream that will show you how to master email. It will provide you emails in your email box. It will build your list exponentially. You want to stay tuned for this training, guys. I'll see you on the inside. Okay guys, before you go into the training, I would like to show you a lead capture system that has really grown my email list. It is called Lead Skimmer, and I'll have a link below. Look at my stats. And I'm going to tell you this, look at this, 2,422 leads. Guys, let me tell you this. This actual lead capture page converts, guys. I'm just telling you. I want to show you, let me just show you my inbox really quick. Look at there, Lead Skimmer, Lead Skimmer, Lead Skimmer. No matter where you market it, you will get leads coming into your system. All you got to do is plug and play. All of this is a part of Global MPN. So once you come in and join, and if you start to see emails from Global MPN, this is the family. So go ahead and get you a Lead Skimmer account so you can start getting leads just like this really quick. I'll see you guys on the inside. What's going on, my friends, on a Thursday night? Guys, I want to talk about email marketing sequence strategy. Now, this particular topic is not talking about the actual sequence when it comes to having an autoresponder messages sequence. This is talking about a process that a lot of people give up in not realizing what all you have to go through to get to your nuggets. It's like getting sand and you sifting through the sand, and all of a sudden you sift, and then you finally found some gold nuggets. This is the process you have to go through when it comes to finding people in your business that want to network with you, that want to do business with you. You have to go through a lot to do this. So I want to show you a little slide that I have from a previous company that I was with. But I kept this slide simply because it was some valuable information to me. And every time I feel like I am not doing well, I take a look at this slide. So I want to share it with you guys. And I think I've created a video on it before, but I just want to share it with you tonight. So it's all about whoever you're with, whatever business opportunity you're with. Look what this title says, the share comes before the sale. So let's just take a look at this, what happened in this particular situation. We'll break it down one by one, okay? This guy, Bill Britt, showed a plan to 1,200 people. And of those people, 900 said no. Now, I just want you to think about, that is a lot. You'd have exposed yourself to 1,200 folks and 900 said no. You know, you get that all the time. They may not actually say no to you in your Facebook. When they ignore your emails or they don't log into the account that they actually subscribe to you, they basically telling you no. So, welcome to the party. All right, now we get to the next method where it says only 300 signed up. So stop right here. A lot of people come in this system and they said, man, this is not working. They haven't even reached out to 1,200 people. Check it out. They may have reached out to 15, 20, and 30, 40. But look here, 1,200 people and 900 said no. I want you to look at this. I want you, if you're watching this video, I want you to really focus on this. 900 said no. Okay, 300 signed up. Let's go to the next sequel. That's why I call this a sequel. This is a process. So you have to understand the process. Out of those 300, okay, check this out. 85 did anything at all. Wow. Can you imagine 1,200 people? You thinking, man, 1,200 people, man, I'm fixing to rock and roll. Look how that 1,200 down to 85 that did anything at all. Okay. Out of those 85, they only find 35 that was serious. Wow. What a elimination game. The reason why I created this video is because the first thing we want to do is give up, and we haven't even communicated with 1,200 people. And let's just talk about email. All right, let's just say we got email marketing, and even though you're going through email, you may not have connected with 1,200 people. You might have 1,200 or 1,300 on your list, but you may not have actually, those 1,200 may not have actually looked at your opportunity. And then they have so many other opportunities that's bombarding them all the time. What make sure that your opportunity have stood out to them? You know, and we'll talk about subject lines and things of that nature a little bit later on on this channel. But look, we're down to 35 people that actually took it serious. That's out of 1,200 people. That's a small margin. And check this out, and what Bill Britt said. Out of those 35, 11 made him a millionaire. So now the reason why I brought this particular slide up, because I want to show you something. I'm in several programs here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into OLSP. Now, I joined OLSP a year ago, and I played with it. And I know, just like everything I ever done in my life, if I did not take any program serious, it was never going to work for me. So I kind of played along with it for about a year. Well, the first of this month, I decided to, hey, let me just give this thing a 90-day serious shot to see what happened. All right. And the day is the 14th. All right. So I have made some progress. So what I want to show you is I made some progress and did a few things, and I'm going to show you where I'm at on the leaderboard really quick so far. And I haven't, be honest with you guys, I haven't really done anything. I haven't really done it. I am just getting my feet wet. Now look at here. I am right now number 20 on the leaderboard. That's insane. Okay. And the purpose of doing that's out of, let's take a look at it. That's out of 300 people. All right. That's out of 300 people where I'm at on the leaderboard. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this has nothing to do with bragging. Bragging don't have nothing to do with nothing. The reason why I'm telling you this OLSP system has a Facebook group of 130,000 folks. I should not be number 20 on the leaderboard. I just should not be. What I'm trying to tell you is, back to this slide, look at all these people that are there, and then but 35 took it serious, and 11 of them made him a millionaire. What I'm trying to tell you is, if you're looking at this video and you getting some no's or people are not actually responding to you, welcome to the party. 130,000 folks that in this particular organization, and look where I'm at, number 20. Doesn't make any sense, guys. Doesn't make any sense. But the reason why I decided to create a video like this tonight is because you have to go out and you got to talk to the masses. Your everyday focus should be on trying to get a lead into your business. Leads should be the primary deal to your organization. You should be trying to get leads every single day, because you will go through this process right here. Look at her. Look at this process. This is the individual process. 1,200 people, and really 11 the one made him a millionaire. Those 35 probably did well, but 11 made him a million. So that means those 11 really went off. So what I'm trying to tell you, for me to be in an organization that has 130,000 folks, and I'm number 20, 14 days in on July. Now this ranking is by the month, so I may not be like that next month. So what I'm trying to tell you is to let you know I'm not, I'm not there yet. I'm not with the masses. But I'm trying to tell you, you can be in the masses. Now, here's this other company with Global NPN. On the past 30 days, paid referrals, I'm number 5, So I'm 60 days, number 4 on the leaderboard. This particular Global NPN has 200,000 folks, guys. 200,000 folks. That lets you know, in any organization that you in, if you plan on being successful, I'm just telling you straight up, just straight up honesty. That's why I like this business. You've got to talk to the masses. So if you come across this video and you want to know what it takes to actually make money online, You got to talk to people. You got to talk to them. And when I talk about talking to them in the masses, you got to reach out to them. And what I like to do is tell you, I have a link below. And it's on you guys whether you want to do. I don't press people. That's not what I do. If you want to come in and join OLSP to show you how to talk to the masses, you can do it. I will have a link below in the description where you can come in and join. And also, guys, they give you a course where you can take and you actually make $20 off of it. They will give you your first, if you hadn't made a commission, or they will give you your first commission dealing with these people. So guys, I'm just telling you, I put this out here for people who are struggling in online marketing, saying they're not being in profit. I'm just telling you, you got to talk to a lot of people. You got to talk to a lot of people. Me, I prefer online communication. I don't like the one-on-one thing. Eventually, when someone is really, really interested in you, you can go one-on-one with it. There is a time for it, but you got to eliminate the people that are curious and get to the people who are serious, and then you'll be fine. But like I said, I got a link below where you can connect with me, join Global NPN, join OLSP. I have leads that helps you get leads, and then I have List Infinity. Those are the 4 programs that I'm doing as a multiple stream of income. So guys, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the inside. Take care and be blessed.